I would like to share a story of one of our listeners. The first time we received her email, she called herself as a lonely little bird. She got enough reason to call herself as that because she has a cerebral palsy. It's very difficult for her to control her body. She was in great depression. After a couple of months, we received another letter. She mentioned she has once thought that his physical disability and emotional wound can never be healed. However, from the day she accepted Jesus Christ through your program, everything changed. So she's renamed herself as a sunshine girl. It's hard for us to imagine how she typed. She sent us some pictures, and we realized she using her nose and chin to type. She mentioned one thing that's encouraged us a lot. She's started uploading our programs to a Chinese version of YouTube. She hoped that the programs that have helped herself can help many other listeners. At that moment, we not doing video only, but also through our website, Chinese YouTube, Chinese Twitter, Chinese Blogspot. And the reason why I would like to share this testimony of the lonely little bird is we are no longer just broadcast here and someone listens there. We planned a trip to visit the little lonely bird and also work together with a local Christian hospital to help her do some physical therapy. A former Olympic swimming coach to do ministry there. She cannot believe, as a swimmer, what can I do for a ministry? But at that moment, she realized how God used her to help the little lonely bird. It's just one case of our ministry. We also visit orphanage, people with the leprosy, blind people. In Bible, we can see so many examples that what Jesus did is not only teach, it's not only preaching, but also with actions, with care to the people. So our ministry is not just about radio, it's about human, about people to people, face to face, heart to heart.